Reliance has received several inquiries with respect to disinfection procedures for full-body harnesses. The user manual included with each harness offers basic guidance on proper care of these products, but due to the concerns of both employers and employees with regard to COVID-19, we would like to expand on that guidance. Before a harness is disinfected, it should be inspected thoroughly using the guidelines provided in the user manual. Perform a complete visual inspection of the harness. Inspect all hardware for any signs of damage, sharp edges, distortion, cracks, burrs, and corrosion. A side-by-side inspection of grommets is an easy way to identify damaged hardware. Inspect all webbing for cuts, tears, abrasions, burns, fraying, excessive soiling, and discoloration. Inspect all stitching for pulled or cut stitches. Inspect all labels and determine if they are securely held in place and legible. When selecting a soap to use, remember, antibacterial soaps such as the one shown here do not kill viruses and are not required to effectively disinfect a harness. It is recommended that full-body harnesses be hand-washed using a light solution of warm water and a commercial detergent such as the one shown here. Chemicals such as bleach and ammonia can be damaging to fibers used in fall arrest products. When the soap has completely dissolved in the water, simply dunk the harness completely several times to ensure it is sufficiently saturated with the soap and water mixture. Lay the harness out on a large, flat surface. A soft, synthetic bristle dishwashing brush may be used to scrub concentrations of dirt, soil, or other contaminants on the webbing. Alternatively, a mesh-covered car washing sponge may be used in the same fashion. Use a gentle circular or back and forth motion when scrubbing. Start at one end of the harness and ensure that each length of webbing and the attached hardware is thoroughly cleaned. Flip the harness over and repeat the process on the other side. Again, be as thorough as possible on both webbing and the attached hardware. When cleaning is complete, the harness should be rinsed with clean, clear water and hung up to air dry overnight. Hardware such as D-rings, buckles, adjusters, snap hooks, and carabiners should be wiped dry with a clean, dry towel or a soft cloth after cleaning. These same steps are recommended for other fall arrest products classified as soft goods such as lanyards and anchor slings. For more information about how to lower your risk of infection, please visit www.cdc.gov/coronavirus.